Under the scorching sun, a caravan crawls across endless dunes. Zaid, a young man, expresses his frustration. This pace is unbearable. Camille, you are slower than a snail in molasses. Ignoring the tribe elder's advice, Zaid confidently strides into the desert, armed with nothing but a bottle of water. Camel watches Zaid disappear into the heat haze, a knowing look in his eyes. The sun beats down with merciless intensity, turning the sand into a shimmering mirage. Under the merciless sun, Zaid stumbles through the endless desert, his strength fading with each step. Heat shimmers above the dunes, mocking Zaid with mirages that dance just out of reach. His body finally gives out, and Zaid collapses onto the scorching sand. Weakly, Zaid hears the soft thud of feet nearby, squinting against the blinding glare. In the vast desert, Camille kneels beside Zaid, offering water with unspoken compassion. Camille supports Zaid as he climbs onto his back, a silent pact of resilience forming between them. Under the watchful gaze of the setting sun, they begin their arduous journey back to the caravan. As dawn breaks over the desert, Zaid sits beside Camille, watching the sunrise. He strokes Camille's neck, a silent gesture of gratitude. The caravan stirs, preparing to move, their silhouettes stretching long in the early light. Zaid walks beside Camille, his pace measured, filled with newfound understanding.